Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Amy Novotny, and today we're going to talk about sleep. Sleep is such an important part of our 24 hours, and so many people have trouble with it. Insomnia is huge, sleep apnea is huge, and I hear so many people say they can't fall asleep, or they wake up in the middle of the night, they wake up with nightmares, they wake up and they're not rested. There are so many issues that happen with sleep. So how do we make it more restful? So there are very common factors out there that we hear about and can look at. So going outside early in the morning, so you get some sunshine, so it resets your circadian rhythm. Minimizing caffeine or don't doing caffeine, so that you can get an increase in sleep pressure from the hormone called adenosine throughout the day. Reducing the lights or getting rid of the blue lights in the evening, or just reducing the lights and calming yourself down, eating well before bedtime, 3 hours or so before bedtime. So those are some common suggestions. What about body suggestions? Now, this might take some practice for you, but one of the things that happens to us during the daytime as we're being active in our life is we guard our body. Anytime you have a stressor, mental, emotional, intellectual, spiritual, physical stressor, our body guards. And it can be very subtle. It's just very, very subtle. Our muscles tense up. Even sitting here right now as I'm talking to you and talking to the camera, I can feel I have a little bit of tension. And that's okay, because I'm performing and talking to you and I want to exude some energy. But now if I keep that guardedness in my body, it's hard for my body to actually relax. And if I do that all day long without stopping and releasing it, my body's going to continue being in that slightly guarded state throughout the night, and I'm not really going to get the rest I'm looking for. I say this because I even catch myself doing this. I'll lay down at night and I think, oh, my bed feels so good. And I don't let go. And then I'll catch myself and I'll say, okay, wait, time out, Amy. Let go. I have to get my body to release. And it all starts with the breastbone. So when the breastbone relaxes, as I exhale, I can start to feel this wave of relaxation throughout my body. I can feel the muscles let go of the guardedness and the contraction they have on my bones. And then I start to relax into the bed. And guess what? Those are the nights where I get a really good deep sleep, because I've given my body permission to relax. And then when I wake up in the morning, I know if I've gotten a good night's sleep that's been restful, because I feel like I've melted into the bed. I'm loosey-goosey, there's no aches, I don't feel tight. I can feel that I fully recovered from my previous day. Now, it takes work to sense this. Many people can't sense what I'm talking about. And it's really that important, especially for all of you who are struggling to get restful sleep and then you're starting your next day in a daze. We want to try to get rid of that, because our mind and our metabolism, our ability to absorb nutrients are all dependent on our sleep. Even our nervous system, which you guys know I talk about a lot, it's all dependent on how well we can sleep. So it starts with giving your body permission to relax, release tension, and let go. If you need help with this, please reach out to me. I know this is hard. We can go through this. We can go through how to do this. It can take some time, and it might need step by step depending on how your body is used to being held. My email is amy@pabrinstitute.com. Please reach out. I would love to help you. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.